channel. So today we are going to be making paneer pulao. So for that I have taken 1 cup of rice which I have washed and kept, and this I have like 1 cup of water and another 3/4 of water, and I have here 1 small onion sliced, and I have here paneer cut into cubes, and then 50 grams of carrot, and then peas, and then 50 grams of beans, and here I have 3 green chilies chopped and sliced diagonally to differentiate between beans and the chili, and I have here salt for the rice, and I have here 3 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, and then 1 teaspoon of saunf, and 3 cloves, and then ghee and oil for frying, and then pepper. If it is not like spicy, then I'm going to be adding pepper, otherwise it's not required. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by pressure cooking our rice without whistle. So first I'm going to add the rice in the cooker, and I'm going to add salt to it, around 1 teaspoon, and now I'm going to add water. So, and then we are going to cover this and cook it without whistle. So we are going to cook this for around 10 minutes. So now I am going to fry the paneer. So first we are going to add oil. Now I am adding the paneer. So now we are going to fry this until it turns like light brown. Don't deep fry it. It should just turn slightly brown. So to this I am going to add like a pinch of salt. Otherwise it's going to taste very bland. So you can see here it has few has turned like light brown. So that's when you know it's done. So once it's evenly cooked, just take it off the heat. So our paneer is fried now, so I am turning off the heat. So now to the same pan I am going to add little bit of ghee, and I am going to add the saunf. Now I am going to add the cloves. I have taken 3 cloves, cardamom, and then bay leaf 1. Now I am going to add the green chilies and then fry them well. So now I am going to add the onions. Fry the onions well until it turns like golden brown. Now to this I am going to add the peas. So I have not boiled the peas. So fry it well until it's cooked. Now I am going to add beans to this. Fry it well. Now I am going to add our chopped carrots. I am going to add more ghee to this so that it gets fried well. I am going to cover and cook this now. Check after 2 to 3 minutes whether it has cooked. The color of the vegetables would have changed once it's cooked. So now it is all half cooked. So now to this I am going to add pepper, just to increase like get that spiciness, and then I am going to add salt to it and mix it well, and we are going to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes again.
It's been 3 minutes now. The vegetables have cooked well. So now to this I am going to add the fried paneer and mix it well. Make sure you mix it carefully and not break the paneer or mash it. So now we are going to check our rice. Like after 10 minutes, like I have turned off the. I have taken it off from the heat. So you can see that our rice is cooked well. So I'm going to take it and keep. So now that the rice is cooked, like for 10 minutes, I'm going to add the rice little by little to the vegetables and mix it. So do this when you have turned off the heat. So I have turned off the heat. Paneer pulao is now ready. I'm going to turn off the heat now, and then we are going to transfer this to a bowl. Our paneer pulao is now ready. So you can have this along with raita or vegetable kurma. So thank you for watching. Do try this recipe out. It's very easy and simple to make and yummy as well. Do share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos. Thank you.